I struggled as a single mother because I was frustrated with not understanding how to save and manage my money correctly. I had a lot of dreams and financial goals, but I was figuring it out on my own. I didn't even consider going to the bank for financial advice. And then I met Richard.
Patricia and I built a great rapport from the beginning.
Richard made a very big impression on me. When I first met him, he made me feel comfortable and he treated me like a human being. I wanted to explore the options of renovating this house and also putting myself in a financial position where that I could still have money for travel and then ultimately for retirement.
Patricia needed a clear plan, and also she needed a bit of confidence as well too. Her first steps was always getting to retirement and being comfortable, and then it led to the renovations of the house. What I brought to the table was showing her all the different strategies that we could use and finding the best one that worked for her.
I was not well educated in investing. He took the opportunity to educate me on how that works. He would review my portfolio and then we'd have a targeted approach. He made sure that I always understood what I'm doing with my money and how to invest it properly. He also provided me with the confidence to take risks. This is a very big risk for me, and it's ultimately paying off, and it's because he gave me the confidence and the education to say, hey, you know what, you can do this.